The time is now to restore economies locally across Ontario, our nation, and around the world. Canadore College is the place to start educating the next generation of workers and entrepreneurs to build an even stronger workforce. Canadore is connecting people to jobs and leading the economic recovery by preparing our students for jobs of tomorrow. Economic environments are shifting faster than ever before. COVID-19 may have altered life as we knew it everywhere, but the shortage of essential skilled workers remains and has only grown. The gaps have widened, and our role in closing them will become even more important as we rebuild economies. Canadore College is responding faster than ever to the demands of the marketplace. We are producing graduates ready to hit the ground running in their chosen fields. We're building on our successes and adding to our program offerings, developing qualifications ranging from micro-credentials to certificates and diplomas to degrees. Canadore College will produce a diverse and stronger workforce to fuel economic growth, a workforce that will be able to meet ever-changing demands almost immediately. We're seizing opportunities to modernize and innovate by challenging the status quo, collaborating with industry in unique ways, being sustainable, and contributing to our communities. The learnings we receive from the Indigenous communities we serve are a key element to all that we do because they are grounded in moving forward together. This guides and speaks to our sustainability, our desire to reduce our carbon footprint. We're monitoring all of our emissions and greening our campuses so that we leave a positive impact for our children. With new technologies emerging almost daily, our graduates need to be able to compete globally and adapt to unknown and emerging needs, even those not yet considered. We're helping students, employers, and our community to meet that challenge. We've been here for more than 50 years and will lead as we push toward the future. We're not your typical college. We are Canadore.